Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you how to make my version of my one of my favorite dishes. It's the red sauce pasta. Now what I've done is I've already boiled the pasta and I've just basically my trick of boiling the pasta is to pour the pasta in hot boiling water and just keep it up for like 5 to 7 minutes until it's al dente, and also make sure to put salt and olive oil when you boil it because that way it doesn't stick to itself. And then just put it down and rinse it with exactly cold water so that it gets to the right level of chewiness. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using for the recipe. I have butter with me, and then I have cheese. I'm just going to put a little bit of cheese. This is red sauce pasta, not white sauce. This is the pasta sauce from Viva. Then I have ketchup, I have some olives, capsicum, broccoli. It's up to you, whatever veggies you want to use. You can use corn, mushrooms, etc. This is black pepper, some garlic, salt, parsley. I also have oregano and red chili flakes. So my pasta is ready. I'm gonna take a pan and pour some olive oil in it. I'll just let it cook for like 10 to 12 seconds before I put in my chopped garlic in it. So I'll let the garlic really, do its magic in the olive oil. So just stir it really nicely, and I'm gonna put chili flakes, and I'm also going to put some parsley and oregano in the oil itself, because this is something that I really like. I've recently learned this trick, so the flavors really get infused in the oil very very well along with the garlic, which I really like. So I'm going to do this in the beginning only. So once it's all done, I'm not going to be cooking the herbs too much because then they will burn. So I'm going to quickly put in my veggies. I'll put the olives later because then they get really very mushy, which I don't want. So olives is something that you need to put in the end. So I'm just going to saute my veggies a little bit before I put in some more seasonings. I'm going to put salt and pepper. This is approximately a tablespoon each, but you can actually go completely on your judgment and whatever, however you like it. Stir it, just let it cook a little bit. So then we're gonna put the pasta sauce that we have, about like 3 to 4 tablespoons, depending on how much pasta you have to mix with it. So I've put like 4 tablespoons of it. And then I'm gonna put some water slowly so that it cooks really well. Don't put the water all together because we really want it to kind of just cook it very nicely. And the heat throughout is medium heat, not very high, not sim as well. So I'm just going to put more water, and this is approximately like a cup of water that I've put till now, and I'm just going to let it boil, let it just cook a little bit. I will also put 1 teaspoon of ketchup and some more oregano and black pepper and chili flakes. I think salt is already a lot, so it's a basically salt is something that I've put very nicely in the beginning, so I don't want to put it more. So now coming on to the cheese, I'm taking like a small block of cheese and mixing it in the pan. Not too much, just a little bit for that taste. And this is the last step. I'm going to put the olives on the top. I will not let it cook too much. And that's it. I'm going to switch off the gas flame. And that's it. The pasta is ready. All you have to do is just mix the pasta with the pasta sauce that you've created, like the mixture. and I've shredded some cheese on top, and I've also placed 2-3 leaves of basil, and that's it. This is done. I will see you super soon. Bye bye.